Hello, my dear listeners. Welcome back to my video. I hope you are happy. I hope you are healthy. Today, we have a very useful lesson. Our topic is English practice with my family members. Many people think I have no one to practice English with, but that is not always true. You already have good speaking partners. Who are they? Your family. You can practice English with your father. You can practice with your mother. You can practice with your brother. You can practice with your sister. You can even practice with your grandparents. You do not need perfect English. You only need simple English. Small conversations every day can make a big difference.
Do not worry about mistakes. Mistakes help us learn. Today, we will learn many easy conversations that you can use at home. Listen carefully. Repeat every sentence. Speak loudly. Let's begin. Part 1. Greeting family members. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. Hello. Hi. How are you? I am fine. How are you today? I am doing well. Nice to see you. Have a nice day. Welcome home. How was your day? It was good. It was busy. It was wonderful. I'm happy today. You look happy. You look tired. Please take some rest. Part 2. Talking with your father. Father. Good morning. You. Good morning, Dad. Father. How are you?
I am fine. Did you sleep well? Yes, I did. What are you doing? I am studying English. That's great. Thank you. Keep learning. I will. Practice every day. Yes, Dad. Never give up. I won't. Part 3. Talking with your mother. Are you hungry? Yes, I am. Come and eat. Thank you, Mom. Do you like the food? Yes. It is delicious. Eat slowly. Okay. Drink some water. Thank you. Did you finish your homework? Yes, I did. Very good. Thank you for helping me. You are welcome. Part 4. Talking with your brother. Hello, brother. Hello. How are you? I am good. What are you doing? I am reading a book. Can I join you? Of course. Let's study together. That's a good idea. Can you help me? Yes, I can. Thank you. You're welcome. Let's practice English. Sure. Let's start now. Part 6. Talking with your sister. Hi. Hi. How are you? I am fine. What are you doing? I am drawing. Your picture is beautiful. Thank you. Can we practice English? Yes. Let's speak in English. Okay. Do not be shy. I won't. Let's learn together. Great idea. Part 6. Talking during breakfast. Good morning. Good morning. What are we eating today? We have bread. We have eggs. We have bananas. We have tea. Please pass the bread. Here you are. Thank you. Would you like some tea? Yes, please. No, thank you. The food is tasty. I like it very much. Let's eat together. Part 7. Talking while cleaning the house. Can I help you? Yes, please. Please clean the table. Okay. Please sweep the floor. I will do it. Can you wash the dishes? Yes. Let's work together. The house looks clean. Good job. Thank you. You're welcome. Part 9. Talking while watching TV. What are you watching? I watching the news. Is it interesting? Yes. Can I watch with you? Of course. Please sit down. Thank you. Let's enjoy it. The program is nice. I like it. Me too. Part 10. Talking about daily routine. What time do you wake up? I wake up at 6. Do you exercise? Yes, every morning. When do you study? I study in the evening. When do you sleep? I sleep at 10. That's a good routine. Thank you. Part 11. Asking simple questions.
Are you busy? No. Can you help me? Yes. Where are you going? I am going to the market. When will you come back? Soon. What are you cooking? Rice and vegetables. Who is at the door? My friend. Why are you smiling? Because I am happy. Part 12. Talking about feelings. Are you happy? Yes. Are you sad? No. Are you tired? A little. Take some rest. Thank you. Are you excited? Yes. Why? Because I learned something new. Wonderful. Part 13. Talking about weekend plans. What will we do today? Let's clean the house. After that, let's visit Grandma. That's nice. Can we go to the park? Yes. Can we take pictures? Sure. It will be fun. I am excited. Me too. Part 14. Helping each other. Can I help you? Yes. Please carry this bag. Sure. Is it heavy? No. Thank you. Anything else? No. Thanks again.
You are kind. We help each other. We are a happy family. Part 15. Speaking only English at home. Let's speak English today. Good idea. Only English, no other language. If we forget, we will try again. No problem. We will not laugh at mistakes. We will encourage each other. Every day, our English will improve. Little by little, we will become confident. Daily Family Speaking Challenge. Now here is your challenge. Speak English with one family member today. Talk for 5 minutes. Tomorrow, talk for 10 minutes. Use simple words. Use short sentences. Do not translate every sentence. Think in English. Speak slowly. Smile while speaking. If you make a mistake, correct it and continue. Never stop speaking. Confidence grows through practice.
My dear friends, learning English does not have to be difficult. Your home can become your English classroom. Your family can become your English teachers. You do not need expensive courses. You do not need perfect grammar. You only need the courage to start. Speak 1 sentence today. Speak 2 sentences tomorrow. Keep practicing every day. Every small conversation makes you stronger. Every mistake teaches you something new. Every day brings you closer to fluency. Remember this. The family that practices English together learns English together. Believe in yourself. Trust the learning process. Keep listening. Keep speaking. Keep smiling. One day, you will speak English with confidence and without fear. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like this video, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to Smooth English Talks for more easy English speaking lessons. Take care. Keep practicing. Keep improving. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye.